We welcome now trial attorney Mercedes Colwin. Mercedes, this case gut-wrenching in just every possible way. So many questions swirling now about motive in this case. Do you expect we'll get an answer? And how will that go about being investigated?
Great question, Kelly, and always wonderful to be on the show with you. It really will be painstaking law enforcement investigation. They're going to look, as you know, you've already heard that a rape kit was done to determine whether or not Ms. Riley was actually raped prior to her death. They'll have to look to see if there's any forensic in her nails, if she fought her attacker. They'll look to see if Jose Iaros, who is the suspected killer, has any injuries himself, if she did fight him off. So there are many steps in this investigation. It will be a slow one, obviously, because it needs to be investigated so fully to ensure that a proper prosecution is done. And ultimately, if the evidence is set forth in such a way that the jury will convict.
So, Mercedes, because this suspect is an illegal immigrant, how does that impact the case? Could it slow down the process, potentially delaying justice for this family?
Great question, Kelly. Generally not. But one of the things that the defense will look to do is to ensure that the jury does not know the immigration status of Jose Ibarra. There will be arguments before the judge that set forth that if there's an immigration status is disclosed to the juror, it might be more prejudicial than probative, and therefore even his immigration status will not come into play. That's going to be a big fight, as you can imagine, will come in with the prosecutor saying that his immigration status is something that should be disclosed to the jury. So it will be a back and forth, but certainly the fact that he is an undocumented illegal alien in the United States will not slow the justice.
Well, that is good to hear. So much outrage surrounding this young girl's death, understandably. How will all eyes on this story, Mercedes, play a role in this case moving forward?
Well, it's certainly, I mean, it's just so tragic. There's so many of us that have children in colleges. There's so many of us whose children are active, outdoorsy, running, and then just have something like this. And well, there'll be obviously changes in the college. It looks like the college has already done what they could to make sure that the remaining students are safe. There might be a lawsuit that will ensue, a wrongful death case against the college. I mean, there are so many other steps that can happen separate and apart from the criminal matter that'll be developed depending on which way the parents want to go forward, and certainly try to look for justice for their daughter.
Yeah. All right. Well, Mercedes Colwin, we know you'll stay on it. Always a pleasure to see you. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.